Good morning, dear children. Here I am Arundhati ma'am teaching you moral science in your class. So, we are doing chapter number 4, The Wise Student. We have read the chapter about a wise student who had a lot of understanding about the tidiness of the environment, of himself, and anything. We have done the vocabulary, that is the hard words, and the fill in the blanks. Today we are going to start off with the question and answers of this class, of this chapter. So, question number 1 says, who was the monitor of the class? I repeat the question, who was the monitor of the class? Answer is, Alex was the monitor of the class. I repeat the answer, Alex was the monitor of the class. Question number 2 says, what did the teacher dislike? I have to write what the teacher did not like about. The teacher did not, the answer is, the teacher did not like the students missing the morning assembly. Their school also, like our school, every day they have morning assembly. In the morning assembly, lot of activities are done. Also, important announcements, the message of the principal is given. So, it is very important for everybody to attend the morning assembly. Hence, the teacher did not like if anybody skipped the morning assembly. The answer is, the teacher did not like the students missing the morning assembly. Question 3 says, who had missed the morning assembly? Why? I have to write who did not go for the morning assembly and why he did not go. Answer says, Jacob missed the morning assembly as he saw that the class was in a mess. So Jacob picked up the papers, toffee wrappers, and cleaned the room. Hence, he could not attend the assembly. I repeat the answer once more. Jacob missed the morning assembly as he saw that the class was in a mess. So, Jacob picked up the papers, toffee wrappers, and cleaned the room. Hence, he could not attend the assembly. You can write the answer by yourself also. You can write this way. Jacob entered the class and saw it was untidy. He stayed back to clean up the room, so he could not attend the morning assembly. That way also you can write. Now we go on to the next question, next page. You turn to page number 24 now. He says, what have you learned from this lesson? From this lesson, we have learned that a clean person is one who makes an effort to tidy up the dirty environment. What is the moral of this story, or what we learn from this story, is what is asked here. It is said, a clean person is a person who not only dresses up clean or eats clean food, but also is concerned about his environment. So a person is one who makes an effort to tidy up the dirty environment. Anything he sees dirty around, he tries to make it neat and clean. So these are the answers of the 4 questions, and we have done it. I will ask all of you to write it in your book as well as in your moral science copy, so that it is easier. Once you write it once or twice, it's easier for you to learn up. Thank you.